Hey, Sarah. Do you know how to read a clock?
Yeah, of course, Tom. Reading a clock is pretty simple. What do you want to know?
Well, can you explain how to tell the time using a clock?
Sure thing. A clock has two hands, the short hand and the long hand. The short hand tells the hour, and the long hand tells the minutes.
Ah, got it. So, for example, if the short hand is pointing at 3 and the long hand is at 12, what time is it?
That would be 3 o'clock.
Okay, what if the long hand is pointing at 6 and the short hand is pointing halfway between 2 and 3?
That would be 2:30. The long hand is pointing at the 6, indicating 30 minutes, and the short hand is halfway between 2 and 3, indicating 2:30.
I see. What about if the long hand is at 9 and the short hand is pointing at 3?
That would be 3:15. The long hand is at the 9, indicating 15 minutes, and the short hand is pointing at 3, indicating 3 o'clock.
Got it. And what if the long hand is pointing at 2 and the short hand is pointing at 10?
That would be 10 minutes past 2. The long hand is at the 2, indicating 10 minutes, and the short hand is pointing at 2, indicating 2 o'clock.
Thanks for explaining, Sarah. It seems pretty straightforward once you understand how the hands work.
Exactly, Tom. Practice makes perfect. Just keep practicing, and you'll become a pro at reading the clock in no time.